In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use your EBT card on DoorDash. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Using your SNAP benefits on DoorDash is possible. You will be able to use your SNAP or EBT benefits on DoorDash purchases at various different locations. To check this, all that you have to do is open the latest version of DoorDash and browse through the eligible items. So you can go to different stores or places that you know that are eligible, and when you select a standard food item, sometimes you will see this icon, SNAP. If you see this icon under a specific item, it means that it is eligible to be purchased using your EBT card. So basically, add these items to your cart. Now you have two ways of actually registering your EBT card to your DoorDash account. For the first one, go over to your account tab and access the payment methods via the account settings, as you can see here. In there, below your saved payment methods, you will find the option to add a SNAP or EBT card. Immediately upon selecting this option, you will be able to include the card number, which usually is a 16-digit number divided into 4 sections. So all that you have to do is include the full card number. So you will see some details about the SNAP orders. You can see if an item is SNAP eligible on its details section, like I showed you at the beginning of the video, and also fees and Dasher tips must be paid with another payment method. So keep that in mind. Fees, and if you want to give a tip to the delivery person, will have to be done using another payment method besides the EBT card. Regardless, now all that you have to do, like I said, is to shop through the items. Once you have them at your cart, proceed to checkout, and in there, under the summary, you will also find the option to pay with SNAP. So if you didn't go over to your account page and register the card from there, don't worry, just tap the option to pay with SNAP, and once again, you will get the instructions to register the SNAP or EBT card. Once this has been successfully done, you can input the amount of that specific checkout order that you want to place, that you want to pay using SNAP, and once you include any amount, you will be able to finish this order and pay the respective amount that you included with the EBT card that you registered. It is extremely simple, and usually there are going to be plenty of locations that are SNAP or EBT eligible. You can sort them by using the SNAP icon when you browse through items, and as long as you go to these eligible locations, you will be able to get it done without any issues. Some examples are going to include Aldi, Albertsons, Major, Safeway, 7-Eleven, and so on. So make sure that you browse through eligible items and you will be able to get this done. I hope I was able to help you on how to use EBT card on DoorDash. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.